Hello guys, my name is Jen and welcome to my channel. This is your Tonga Traveler. So on this video guys, you can see me here feeding the seagulls in the Lofoten Islands. This happened in our stay in Kabelvåg, in front of our cabin. And on this day we were leaving the islands and we had so much bread with us, so I just decided to give it to the birds. So guys, please enjoy the view. And actually I am already missing the Norwegian summer and the amazing experience we had in the beautiful islands of Lofoten.